First question I want answered is, was there an agreement in fact? I think by now we can see that in fact there was a secret agreement. And what verifies that, and what I think, for me at least, convinces me that there was in fact a secret agreement, is the insistence of the Chinese government that there was a secret agreement. I do not think the Chinese government, I don't think Beijing will just make up and just out of nowhere say there was a secret agreement when there was no such thing. All right, so I think, to my mind, that is sufficient to me to prove to me that there was such an agreement.
Ining meging pasyag ng Presidente Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. dikil keng kayang personal akapanwalan at timping secret agreement pilatan ng Chinese government at dating President Rodrigo Duterte dikil keng West Philippine Sea. Sinabi na ng PBBM keng 50th anniversary ng Foreign Correspondent Association of the Philippines Ameripatan yan Lunes, April 15. Sa sangkana na kasing Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Mao Ning, in Philippine government alilinga ding ausandang gentleman's agreement pilatan ng former President Duterte ampong Chinese President Xi Jinping. Mismong former President Duterte, lilingad na mo rin ng amanwa ng itining China. Ing sakit pakanuan ng President Marcos Jr., mismong dang dating kayabe ng ex-President Digong alialiwalas sa sabyan, dikil king amanwang sekretong kasunduan.
We still have to find out what it is all about. We cannot. I've tried to get in touch with former officials of the previous administration who could possibly have been involved in these discussions, and I have to tell you, I haven't gotten a straight answer out of anyone. Now, one party says, one person says there's no agreement. Another says, no, there was talk, but it's only status quo. No, there was. And another one will say there was an agreement.
Bistaman kumbinsidu yung PBBM na ating secret agreement, magkasakit lang anong ato kalini, huling dakal pangkutang kailangan pakibatan at alapang lalto na anumang ebidensya.
The second question I need answered is, what is contained in that secret agreement? What did we agree to? And why did we agree to that? What exactly is it that we compromised? Number two. Number three, this is a critical question. Why did you keep it secret?
Sinigurado na naman ng Pangulo na makibat lari hanggang taong dawit king agreement ay iti, nung sakali mong manakit lang ebidensya na mag-eksesya. At ang timang presidente ng bangsa, babawian niya kanong secret agreement nung taga ng merapat yaman.
It turns out that the Chinese are insisting that there's a secret agreement, and perhaps there is. And I said, I don't know anything about the secret agreement. Should there be such a secret agreement, I am now rescinding it. So I've rescinded it, if indeed it exists.
Kaya bay dyan alumbang parungaw, ako po yung kakayong talusuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong makabalen.